Welcome to the Kilroy Motorsports channel. Today we are going to show you guys how to install a third brake light on a 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Gotta back down my Chevy down to the shop real quick, just so I have my tools over there, because all of my tools are down at the shop. So we are gonna head down there real quick. Can't forget this. Got one of my setups in here, and this should be another video, so we'll worry about that later. But up there, it looks like there are two Torx. So we're gonna grab a Torx and then take that off. So I got my Torx. I probably should have checked up what size it was before I actually grabbed them, but we're gonna see if I grabbed the right size. So it's pretty easy. On each side, they have Torx right there and there. We're gonna take both of those Torx off to take hopefully the housing out.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light.
Alright, so grab our, and this is also a smoked tail light. So we installed our gasket. I'm not sure if this one was supposed to go on anywhere. So I don't think so. But we could see real quick. So it'll fit. So the next thing we're gonna do is hook up this connection. Just like so. Tuck. Before we actually put it all the way in and tighten it, we are going to test it first to see if it works. So let's do that. Alright guys, I like the smoked look a lot more. We're gonna get eventually smoked taillights, but all you gotta do is install those two Torx, rip that little plastic protector off, and so that's pretty much it of the video. If you liked it, I think that looks much better with the smoked look, and it had to be replaced anyway because I was leaking water in my truck and it ruined the headliner. So maybe that's a new video, is replacing the headliner. But anyways, stay tuned guys. There's gonna be some more videos coming out. Man, that looks so much better. Yeah. If you hear that little crackling sound, it's my neighbor. He's burning, having a burn pile or something. But stay tuned guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Got a couple videos on hold right now just because they're not quite ready. But other than that, I'll get some more videos posted, and stay tuned. Kilroy Motorsports out.